The word we'll be learning in this section is kaisei, which you will often hear in weather reports or when someone is planning for outdoor activities or events. The word kaisei means a state of fine or clear weather. It describes those beautiful bright days when the sky is free from clouds and the sun is shining. The first kanji means pleasant, comfortable, and sometimes quick or cheerful. In words like kaiteki, it gives the sense of comfort and pleasantness. And in kaisoku, it contributes the idea of quickness or briskness. The second kanji means to clear up or be sunny, referring to brightness in the weather. In words like seiten, it marks clear skies, and in hareru, it expresses the action of the weather becoming sunny. Today it's a clear sky. 今日は快晴ですね。今日は快晴ですね。Today is a clear morning. 今日は快晴の朝です。今日は快晴の朝です。For sightseeing, clear weather is best. 観光するには快晴がいい。観光するには快晴がいい。I go on a picnic on sunny days. 快晴の日にはピクニックに行きます。快晴の日にはピクニックに行きます。The most common synonyms of kaisei are seiten and awazora. Seiten also means clear weather, specifically emphasizing the absence of rain. Awazora translates to blue sky and often adds a visual component to the weather, highlighting the clear blue presence above. The most common antonyms of kaisei are kumori and uten. Kumori refers to cloudy weather, indicating skies filled with clouds rather than clear conditions. Uten means rainy weather, emphasizing precipitation, opposite of the bright clear sky associated with kaisei.